Hello everyone! Welcome back sa ating channel. For today's video guys, another skincare talk tayo. So let's have a review dito sa ginagamit kong whitening set. And if you are interested guys malaman more about these products, then please keep on watching. But before that guys, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. Turn the notification so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So without further hanash guys, let's start. Alright guys, so today pag-uusapan natin or magkakaroon tayo ng review dito sa ginagamit kong whitening set. And this one guys is yung Hello Glow All Natural Whitening Set. So nakalagay dito sa box niya is new and improved. Actually guys, first time kong i-try itong kanilang whitening set. Pero yung kanilang rejuvenating set, palaging yun yung ginagamit ko. Kasi very gentle and mild lang siya sa skin. So ngayon naman try ko itong kanilang whitening set as a maintenance set guys. So eto guys, Hello Glow All Natural Whitening Set is especially formulated to help treat acne, moisturize and rejuvenate your skin without the pain, infused with safe and natural ingredients. Ayan. So, eto guys, kanilang whitening set has skin brightening, which is the peony extract. Meron ito guys, papaya fruit extract, kojic acid, glutathione, arbutin, and vitamin C. And then guys, meron din tong skin smoothening, which is the soap nut fruit extract, and then the strawberry begonia extract. And then sa skin protection naman guys, it has this skullcap extract and apple fruit extracts. So yun guys yung mga ingredients na nandito sa whitening set na ito. Etong set na ito guys is proudly made in the Philippines, and ito is the product from Ever Bilena Cosmetics. And this whitening set guys is perfect for those na naghahanap ng hindi mahapde or uncomfortable sa skin. Meron ito guys ang natural ingredients na perfect for those who has sensitive skin, and pwede rin to sa teenagers, sa pregnant and lactating women. So eto guys, all natural whitening set from Hello Glow has toner, meron na rin itong day cream, meron na rin siyang night cream, and yung kanilang whitening soap. So I've been using this for weeks and okay yung effect niya sa akin. Right, so first guys, meron ito nung kanilang Hello Glow whitening soap. Ayan yung itsura niya. So, nabuksan ko na siya. And ayan siya sa loob. Para lang din siyang kojic acid soap. Kulay orange din siya. And then, this Hello Glow 5-in-1 whitening soap has papaya extract, kojic acid, arbutin, glutathione, and vitamin C to restore, exfoliates, whitens your skin. All natural, no harmful chemicals with anti-acne properties. So, 90 grams yung kanyang whitening soap. So, lahat guys ng information na kailangan ninyong malaman about this soap is nakalagay dito sa kanyang lagayan. Ayan. So, I've been using this for weeks and gusto ko yung effect niya sa skin ko. Hindi siya nakaka-strip ng natural moisture ng skin, and nakita ko yung effect niya, talagang nagla-lighten up yung aking skin. So, gustong-gusto ko itong kanilang whitening soap. Ayan. So, ginagamit ko siya actually sa buong katawan ko na. So, ito yung kanilang whitening soap. And then, afterwards guys, after mong makapaghilamos with this soap, ito naman yung kanilang, ayan, ito naman yung kanilang clarifying toner. So, this clarifying toner, guys, is to restore, refine, and whitens your skin. 100% all natural, no harmful chemicals, and 50 ml siya. Ayan. And lahat din, guys, ng kailangan yung malaman about sa products na ito, nakalagay dito sa kanyang bottle. And at first, guys, reminder lang, if ever na gusto ninyong mag-try ng any products, before ninyong ilagay sa buong face ninyo is mag-skin patch test kayo. Pwede dito, buong magdamag, ayan, nakalagay dyan, or dito, sa baba ng neck. Okay na okay ang mag-skin patch test para malaman ninyo kung hindi ba kayo magkakaroon ng irritations sa mga products na itatry ninyo. So, eto yung kanila clarifying toner. So, after nyo mag-cleanse, using yung kanilang soap, whitening soap, is sunod natin itong kanilang clarifying toner. And then sa umaga guys, ang gamit ko naman, it's itong kanilang sunscreen cream with SPF 30. Restore, protect, and whitens the skin. Ayan din. Then, ganito siya. Ayan. Ayan yung kanilang sunscreen. And alam nyo ba guys, pag ito yung ginagamit kong sunscreen, parang nafe-feel ko yung skin ko na malambot siya. Alam mo yung para kang naglagay ng moisturizer na and then sunscreen na pati. So, malambot siya sa skin and wala naman siyang battering na scent. Ayan. 10 grams yung kanilang sunscreen guys. And then sa gabi naman guys, after kong mag-cleanse, so toner and then ito namang kanilang whitening cream. So, ito yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, sobrang matipid lang nito, guys. Ayan, pero paubos na siya. Ayan, konti na lang. So, ganito rin naman siya. Ayan. Meron siyang moisturizing effect. Ayan, itong kanilang whitening cream. Ayan. So, 10 grams din siya. And lahat, guys, na kailangan ninyong malaman about this product is nakalagay dito sa kanyang tub na ganyan. Alright. So, ayun, guys, yung buong set nitong all-natural whitening set from Hello Glow. And with just 4 easy steps, guys, achieve mo yung no-tiis ganda na skincare. Ayan. So, hindi mahapdi sa skin, hindi din mamumula yung skin mo, and makikita mo talaga yung improvement ng iyong skin. And ayan, guys, within 2 weeks ko siyang ginagamit. Okay siya sa skin ko. Ayan. That's why I've been sharing this to you. So, ayun guys, yung ating whitening set from Hello Glow. So, nagustuhan ko guys yung effect nito sa aking skin. Hindi siya malagkit, hindi siya mahapde, and then hindi rin namumula yung aking skin. That's why, sinishare ko sila sa inyo. So, if interested kayo guys, or naghahanap kayo ng skincare na madali lang gamitin and makikita nyo yung natural na effects sa skin niyo and super affordable, try nyo guys itong whitening set from Hello Glow. And alam ko guys, naka-birthday promo sila until February 29. Check nyo yung kanilang official store sa Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. Or lagay ko guys yung kanilang link sa description box para hindi na kayo mahirapang maghanap. Ayan. And this whitening set guys is 219 pesos lang ngayon. Ayan. So check nyo guys yung kanilang birthday promo dahil naka-promo sila guys until February 29. So grab nyo guys yung kanilang sale. So that's it guys for today. I hope na nagustuhan ninyo. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys and see you on the next video. Bye!